Hey everyone, and welcome back to Beacons 101. We're giving mini tutorials on all things beacons. Today I'm going to show you how to set product inventory limits on your beacons products. I bet you're wondering, why would I want to limit my digital products? Isn't the whole point of digital products that it's basically unlimited? Yes, you bring up a good point, but what if I told you you can actually make more money by selling less? Limiting your product can actually be an effective strategy to drive sales by creating a sense of urgency and scarcity. It can also enhance the value of what you're offering because it's limited. It's super easy to do so. Let me show you how. Head into Beacons and on the left-hand navigation, click on Store. Click into the product you want to limit product sales. And on the right-hand side, you'll see Optional Sections. And right under that, you'll see Limit Product Sales. Go ahead and enter your limit. Make sure to be strategic about this. Once you input your limit, there will be a bar at the bottom so people can see how many downloads are left. And that's it. If you need additional help, check out our help center in the description below or email us at support@beacons.ai. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.